Today we are making Chinese beef and egg ribbon soup, a spring favorite that is perfect for Easter. It serves 4 people and is ready in 35 minutes. Let us get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 12 ounces of thinly sliced beef sirloin. Tender slices are the star of this soup. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce for savory depth. 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine adds gentle aroma. 1/2 teaspoon ground white pepper for gentle heat. 2 teaspoons cornstarch for the marinade to velvet the beef. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil for nutty perfume. 6 cups of beef stock, the flavorful base. 4 slices of fresh ginger to perfume the broth. 2 cloves of garlic, smashed, for savory depth. 8 ounces of baby bok choy, halved for easy blanching. 1 small carrot, cut into matchsticks for color and crunch. 3 large eggs, lightly beaten, to make silky ribbons. 2 scallions, thinly sliced, for a fresh finish. 1 teaspoon salt to season the broth. 1 tablespoon cornstarch for the slurry to lightly thicken the soup. 2 tablespoons water for the slurry. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. In a mixing bowl, toss 12 ounces of thinly sliced beef with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1/2 teaspoon white pepper, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Coat well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. In a small bowl, lightly beat 3 large eggs until smooth. Rinse the baby bok choy, have it lengthwise if needed, julienne 1 small carrot, and thinly slice 2 scallions. In a large stainless steel pot, bring 6 cups of beef stock to a boil with 4 slices of fresh ginger and 2 smashed garlic cloves. Reduce to a lively simmer, add 1 teaspoon salt, and let it infuse for 8 minutes. Keep the broth at a boil, add the baby bok choy, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until bright green. Lift it out and keep it warm. Add the carrot matchsticks to the pot and boil for 2 minutes. In a cup, blend 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 2 tablespoons water until smooth. Stir the slurry into the simmering broth and cook for 1 minute to slightly thicken. Bring the broth back to a gentle boil. Add the marinated beef slices, separating them as you add them, and boil just until the color changes, about 1 to 2 minutes. Make a gentle whirlpool with a spoon. Slowly drizzle in the beaten eggs in a thin stream to form ribbons. Let it stand for 30 seconds, then gently stir once. Return the blanched bok choy to the pot and warm it for 30 seconds. Taste the broth, and if needed, add 1 pinch more salt. Ladle the Chinese beef and egg ribbon soup into 4 warm bowls. Arrange the bok choy on top and finish with 2 sliced scallions. Serve immediately while hot so the egg ribbons stay silky. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Easter-friendly Chinese beef and egg ribbon soup, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.